This message is for the public. Not enough love, so it seems. Self-hate and disgust is real. Time to change the scene and find black love in yourself and know what it really means. Shout out to Diddy and Mary.
Looking for someone to love me. Growing. I'm looking for someone to love me. Yeah.
If black love's a fix, I'm a fiend. I believe in loving yourself and show the team. Real love non-existent, know what I mean? Black's the light and I let it beam. Black love is real and not a dream, not a secret. We got problems. I'm the serum, I'm the truth, let's solve them. Black's your best friend, but you dog him. When you down, whitey gone, then you gotta call him. Black pride and no drama. Black is everything and a comma. You want real ish? I'm honored. I'm like no shade on African summer.
Looking for someone to love me. Growing. I'm looking for someone to love me. Yeah.
It's a shame we're late. Death to the blacks, added self-hate. Willing, dealing, playing second rate. Sucker punching your kids, trying to live fake. Time for a change, no room for debate. I don't know about you, black's a good trait. Change the black slate, let's get it straight. I'm not looking in the mirror trying to save face. Ain't gotta put on a show to try to get a place. Gotta get up early to try to win the race. Do it all over again through black hate. Can you relate?
Looking for someone to love me. Growing. I'm looking for someone to love me. Yeah.
Black love, what we need. Embrace the blackness, plant the seed. Teach them black love, make them believe. Ride the black steed, grow and let them free. Then no shame in the color in he, the color in she. Black love is what it should be. Do the right thing, break the damn chain. Undo the ugly, reboot the mainframe. Break the silence so it stays the same. Black ain't reason for you to be ashamed. You know what I'm looking for. It's black love knocking at your door. Black is in, just like before. You need to love yourself to the core. If you're black, please don't ignore.